Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new video for my new YouTube channel. Yesterday I just created for those students who wanted to learn about free courses with free certification. Also admission process for various countries and part-time job for those students who want to work from home, and also internship opportunity, and definitely free resource for medical students and free training. And also I'm gonna post here, I'm gonna upload it here are many different and online courses like Coursera, Udemy, and many more. So stay tuned, make sure subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys never miss such an informative video from next. Let's start. Today I'm gonna talk about 5 courses and 1 extra courses, like that one is for starting my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna give you guys for especially for medical students, very informative, very beneficial for those students who are studying MBBS. Okay, so let's start. My first course, premium course, but totally for free. It's a Udemy platform, and as you guys know, it's very nice platform, very pretty well that you guys can learn from here, watch video, and after the complete the course you will get the certification, and it's totally free. You guys can see it's $84.99, but right now it's 100% free, and the time left 15 hours left. So make sure you guys sign up and then log in. After that, and I will put URL in my description box. You just copy and then paste, you will get the course. But in the URL you will see here it's a coupon code. You can see placement and coupon code. Just copy it very carefully, okay, and paste here and then apply. You already see here I already applied, that's why it's it's not showing apply option. Okay, you when you first open it, and then you will see the segment of apply. Alright, and okay, next, my next courses, it's also for healthcare, as you guys see, and you can see the course details over here. Then I think it's really sustainable for these students. You can see it here, there is no requirement, and it's 19 hours course totally, and 63 downloadable resources. You will get the resources. You can access from mobile, access from TV, access from your laptop, computer, no matter any device. Okay, so you can choose like this same way, coupon code, and then paste it. You will get the course totally free. Well, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also, you guys can share with your friends, relative, so that they also can get these courses for totally free. My third courses is it's Masters the Art of Self-Confidence, Unshakable Confidence. As you can see, it's personal development courses, but I presume that this course also beneficial for these students. Already, this course is 2022. It's latest courses. Okay, already 2,278 students already enrolled. So what are you waiting for? Just copy the coupon code from here and then paste here, get the codes and enroll now. You can see 4 days left. Its total price is almost $20, but now you can get free. So grab it. My next courses, it's definitely important. It's for everyone. You can see it's general health, healthy living with no oil recipe, non-vegetarian. Okay, better health, better life, better cooking. I can feel it. So as you can see, it's already 25,504 students enrolled. It's only six hours left. It's 85 almost price, and it's very good. I already enrolled. Okay, let me tell you guys, you will get, when you enroll once, you will get full lifetime access, and also when you complete the courses, you will get the certification without a single cost. So grab it, and you can see here in introductions, okay, signature recipe, magic sauce, and more tips and tricks. Get cooking every time. Okay, yeah, you can see here, you will see this coach pretty well. I already know. Okay. And my next one is, it's different. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about this platform, and everyone, most of the people know about this platform. This is World Health Organization, we know as a WHO. So you will get this course totally free. After finish this course, you will get the certificate. As you can see, it's a e-learning course on drug resistant and TB treatment. It's for every medical student. Okay, you will learn lot of content, lot of things from here. And just requirement, what you need to pass module and get 80% mark each module, so that you will get the passing mark, and after that get the certificate. Okay, so this is number 5th, and the last one, that course I've already done with, and it's also for all the medical students, tropical dermatology. Any skin disease also favor us. Okay, you can see here 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗧, and many more. You can, there have like describe many things. You can learn, you can see, you can watch, and there have modules. Every class is finished, there have module, but don't worry, those modules are really easy peasy. So you guys will be passed very easily without any problem. And if you guys have any problem, just comment below, and also which kind of courses you guys want, just let me tell in comment section, so that I will provide from next video for you guys. And also that will be free, definitely, with certificate. Thank you. And again, it's my new YouTube channel, so you guys are my inspirations. Make sure subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. Okay, here is my certificate that's showing. Take care. Allah Hafiz.